Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Kaizen Crypto, where we break down the chaos of the markets and turn it into clear, simple strategies for the long run. Today, we are talking about one of the biggest questions right now: why stay calm when the entire crypto market looks like it's collapsing? Because the truth is, market melting down, Bitcoin's bleeding, Ethereum's wobbling, billions are being liquidated. Yet, some of us are staying completely calm. Here is why. Once you zoom out beyond the red candles, you realize we are not watching the end of crypto. We are watching the birth of an entire new financial system. We will cover this in 7 parts. So by the end of this video, you will see the bigger picture behind all the chaos. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss the most straightforward breakdowns of major crypto events. The kind of clarity you won't find easily on YouTube. So let's dive in. Part 1: The global race towards digital money. Think of money like the internet in the 90s. Every country, every company wants to build the Google of money. China is racing ahead with the digital yuan, testing it in global trade hubs. The US passed the Genius Act, which means bigger players like Amazon, Apple, and even Walmart could launch their own digital dollars. Wyoming even launched the first state-backed stablecoin in America. This isn't hype, it's power grab. Whoever controls the digital money controls the future. Part 2: The Zen AI Era of Money. Genius Act isn't just regulation, it's a reset button for trust in stablecoins. Full dollar backing, regular audits, no more trust us bro finance. Meanwhile, Circle is building custom blockchains just for stablecoins. Paxos is gunning for US bank license. So we are watching Banking 2.0 unfold, a world where AI, tokens, smart contracts manage money alongside traditional banks. Now part 3: Rethinking Inflation. And here is the truth nobody tells you. Inflation isn't just about high prices, it's weak dollar. In 1973, your parents could buy a house for 25k. Today, this same house costs over 400k. So did the house magically become better? Nope. The dollar just got weaker. That's why smart investors don't sit on cash. They move into deflationary assets like Bitcoin, cash flowing businesses or rental income, safe long-term vehicles like cash value, life insurance. Inflation isn't the villain. It's the reason people look for stronger money. Part 4: Why September always hurts. Here is the pattern few talks about. Historically, September is brutal for crypto. Analysts like Benjamin Coleman show that mid-year rallies often crash in September before the real bull run kicks in later. And we are seeing it now. Over 1 billion liquidated in a single week. Technicals hint that Bitcoin could dip hard before blasting to new high. So if September feels scary, it's actually history repeating itself. Part 5: Big players making moves. Look who is buying the dip. The Fed's Michelle Bowman is openly saying, don't fight digital finance, embrace it. Tether just hired a US political insider to expand. Circus stock is up over 300% because institutions are betting on stablecoins. This isn't retail noise. It's a strategic land grab by institutions. And part 6: The global regulation is locking in. The UK just sanctioned the crypto channels tied to Russia. Europe's MiCA regulation and Hong Kong's stablecoin ordinance are setting the rulebook. So for the first time, regulation isn't about shutting crypto down. It's about shaping the game before it goes mainstream. And that brings us to part 7: Your strategy when market tank. And here's the play. First, zoom out. When feels like chaos, today is often just a small bit in much bigger trend. Second, use fear to your advantage. History shows corrections are when the biggest wealth shift happen. And third, stay diversified. Bitcoin for long-term strength, stablecoins for stability, and real-world assets like real estate or dividend for cash flow. And finally, think global. With tokenized stocks, treasury-backed coins, your portfolio does not depend on one economy. In short, stay calm, stay balanced, and let the time work in your favor. So this isn't the end of crypto. It's evolution of money itself. Governments, banks, tech giants, all are racing to stake their claim in this digital frontier. So when you see your portfolio flashing red, don't mistake it for collapse. See it as transition. Fears drive people out, but patience and strategy brings people forward. And the winner will be those who stay calm, adapt, and build with the long view in mind. Storm is temporary, but the future of money is permanent. If this video gave you clarity, drop a comment. Will stablecoins replace bank, or will Bitcoin win the money war? I read every reply, and if you want to stay ahead while others panic, hit subscribe and turn on the bell, because the next wave of insights could be the difference between chasing the market and leading it. And finally, thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.